If you've archived a job by accident, you can restore the archived job to its original state. To do this, navigate to the jobs list and find the job you wish to unarchive. You can do that by using the filters along the top of the screen. Let me show you how. By default, the job list will show any incomplete jobs. To find the archived jobs that we want to restore, you'll need to change the drop down here to show archived jobs. Any archived jobs will be shown in red to indicate their archived status. So once you've found the job you wish to restore, let's do this job number 3, tap the edit button, and then from the side menu tap the options and unarchive the job. You can see that the job has now turned black to indicate that it's now been restored. At this point, if you refresh the job list, that job number 3 will disappear because it is now an active job. However, if we switch back to the All Jobs view, we'll see that that job ID 3, which we've just restored, is now available. So that's how you restore an archived job, for example, if you've archived a job by accident.